Nice?
Yes. Tasty.
Yeah, lovely. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my daughter, Charlotte, my youngest daughter. And today she's going to help me make this video. So as you know, with the current lockdown, pretty much all over the world, but definitely in the UK, we currently are not able to work on the boat, unfortunately. The boat is around probably about 10, 12 miles away from where we live. Takes me about 40, 45 minutes to get there. Yeah, and we're not allowed to make any journeys unless they are essential journeys. So we thought we'd do a little video today about what we were doing in the future on the boat.
Yes.
Didn't we? So once we have got all of the fiberglassing done at the front of the boat in the master cabin, then we're going to have those parts made, and then we'll need to start thinking about what sort of materials that we might want to use. So cabinetry, wardrobes, wood
to go on the floor.
Yeah, vinyl padding, all that sort of stuff. So we thought we'd make a short video about the wood that we'll be using in the cabinetry for the boat, didn't we?
Yes.
So we've got some samples here. So these are samples of lightweight ply. So you feel that? Is that light? It's really light, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's only a tiny sample. So we ordered these samples from a company called Moorland in the UK. And basically they offer a range of lightweight plywood, and they come in a variety of finishes.
They look like wafers.
Yeah, they do look like wafers, don't they? You wouldn't want to eat it though, they're quite chewy.
No.
So these are just some samples that we've got. So we've got here stone grey, haven't we? What's that one?
San Zebrano.
San Zebrano, yeah. And what's that one?
I like this one.
Driftwood, we like driftwood, don't we? I think that's our favourite. Bardolino oak.
And black
high gloss, which is really nice, but Charlotte noticed that when she was handling the high gloss black.
You can see all the prints.
Yeah.
And you have to hold it around the side.
Fingerprints, yeah, it shows your fingerprints really badly, doesn't it?
It's like a window.
Yeah, and I mean, it's really high gloss, isn't it? It's like a mirror almost.
And
that.
if you scratch it, if a dog or something with really long claws scratches it, it's finished, it's done.
I mean, I really like that, but I think that would be my concern, is that would scratch and
I would
mark.
have that in a bathroom.
Yeah, maybe.
Like around the mirror or something.
Maybe.
Not as a mirror, but...
Yeah, as a splashback or something like that.
I would have it as like a high up thing for like my house.
Yes.
Because there's no animal could get to it. I wouldn't have a cat.
Well, I wasn't planning on keeping lots of animals on the boat, but anyway, we'll, yeah, so that looks like it's a really nice finish, but high maintenance, isn't it? Do you think? So our favourite, well, what was your favourite? You pick your favourite.
I have two.
Go on then.
I like the stone grey and the driftwood.
Yeah, they're my favourite.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Modern.
Yes.
Boaty.
Yes.
Like it.
I like it. So I agree. I think these are a really nice finish. That, like you say, they're modern, aren't they? And if we use those.
This one has like a rain pattern. I'm not sure I like it.
No, it's oak. I do like the oak.
And this one is a bit yellow.
I think we just wanted to go for something a bit more modern, which I think
grey.
Which I think that is. So the driftwood at the moment is the favourite, and they also do a range of profiles to match this. So they do rectangular profiles and a corner profile as well. So we could easily make cabinetry from this. So I thought what would be interesting, so hopefully what we're thinking is that we can save an awful lot of weight on the boat if we use this lightweight ply versus something like an MFC or a standard ply or MDF. So I've got some samples of some kitchen doors in the garage, and what I was thinking is what we'll do is we'll cut a sample that's made from MDF, the same size as this, and we shall weigh it and see what the weight difference is, because I think this is going to be substantially lighter than a normal kitchen door that you'd use in a household. So I'm thinking we could save a lot of weight with this.
It'd be a lot of schoolwork for me. Still be schoolwork.
Schoolwork?
Yeah, weighing it.
Wait, yeah, exactly. It's like a school project. There you go. So shall we do that?
Yes.
So we're going to go and cut another piece of the MDF and into a small square like this, and then we shall weigh it.
Yeah, you can also get big samples. Like
yes. Should we go? Let's go. Right, so here's the door sample. What do you think of this, Charlotte? Is this heavy?
Yes.
What do I feel like that? That's quite heavy, isn't it?
I can lift it just about.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So that's just a small door front. So let's get this cut down.
Chopped?
Yes. Okay, so we have our sample cut to the same size. Obviously this one's a little bit thicker. This is 18mm versus the lightweight ply is 15mm. So immediately you're going to save a little bit of weight there. But obviously MDF is considerably denser than this lightweight ply. So let's go and give it away. Okay, so we've got the scales out and we've got our samples here. And my daughter is going to now weigh them. So do you want to weigh which one do you want to weigh first?
This one.
I think weigh the normal kitchen, yeah, the heavy one, yeah. Let's see what that weighs.
But we changed the wood because that's what we're using.
So what does that say?
183
grams, that is.
That's heavy.
That's quite heavy. So the sample size is 110mm by 110mm. Or just over 4 inches. What would that be? That'd be 4.5 inches nearly by 4.5 inches. So let's try the lightweight ply. And this is the driftwood one, isn't it? So what does that say?
79.
79. So that's over 100 grams lighter, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you can imagine if that was the size of a door, I mean it's less than half the weight, isn't it? Or it's more than half the weight, or less than half the weight. Yeah, anyway, it's considerably lighter, isn't it? So we could build a door or a drawer front out of that, and it's going to be half the weight of an MDF door that you'd have in a standard kitchen. So that's quite a big weight saving. What do we think?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Mm.
So this stuff's really interesting actually as well, because it's got 7 plies in here. And apparently things like screw retention is very good, and it's also easy to glue. And what we'll probably do is, if we're going to use this on doors and drawer fronts, what we'll do is they do a 2mm edging that goes on here, so that we can make those panels. And in fact, this is an Egger colour, and I have the Egger book here. So this is the Egger decorative collection, and they have literally an endless amount of finishes.
Rainbow.
And laminates. Yeah, look at these, all these different colours and textures. I mean, they're pretty cool, aren't
Shiny.
they? Yeah, here's all your oak wood grains, and some darker wood grains there. So we've got loads of options, haven't we, on colour?
You've got brownie.
But the nice thing about the driftwood is this is a standard stock colour that Moorland actually keep in stock. Now, we're not affiliated with Moorland in any way, we're not sponsored by them, but I will leave a link to Moorland in the description below. So that's where we bought this from. But yeah, that's a stock colour for them, and they also have the profiles that we spoke about, the corner profiles and the rectangular profiles. So I think this is a favourite candidate, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll also tell you all the different kinds of woods in the description, so then if you like one of them, you can go and buy
Yeah,
it.
perhaps we put a link to the Egger website, and then everybody can see what different colours are available. And they don't just do Egger, they do different laminates from other manufacturers. So Formica, I think there's several on there that I remember. So you've got endless choice, really.
And if you also don't know what you want, so we definitely suggest getting one of these so you can
the Egger book.
test them out.
Yeah, or have a look on the Egger website. So we'll leave a link to the Egger website.
Yeah.
And I think that's a wrap for today, isn't it?
Yes.
I think that's what we're going to talk about today. So on the next video, we're going to talk about how we might fix these panels inside the boat. So we've got some interesting fixing that we're looking at that I've used previously. So we're going to cover that in the next video. So stay safe, guys. Give us a big thumbs up. Yeah. Smash that like button.
And subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.